IFFI 2014 के इस मौके पे हमारे साथ बातचीत करने के लिए मौजूद है सेक्रेटरी इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग श्री बिमल जुल्का साहब. सर, it was a wonderful inauguration, sir, yesterday. So how do you feel about the overall IFFI for this year, sir?
I think overall the stature of IFFI is growing day by day, year after year, and it's a very proud moment for the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and Government of Goa to showcase IFFI in the best possible manner, because this is bringing minds of various countries all together at one place.
Sir, this time Amitabh Bachchan and superstar Rajnikant was present at the same platform, sir. So I hope this time the IFFI will unroll many of the new things for the people, sir. So what are the new initiatives that will people?
Gradually, I think as far as the filmic content is concerned, it is growing over a period of time. The whole showcasing of IFFI is gradually evolving, and I think we have to now take it at the next higher level, because Goa has now become the permanent destination, and I am sure that the Goa government will now create infrastructure as promised by Honorable Defence Minister yesterday. So they should have a film city here, and it will give immense opportunities for a young generation to come together and evolutionize themselves in the field of filmmaking.
Sir, because of these various efforts, can we expect that the brand IFFI will reach to the various countries, various parts of the world?
Brand IFFI has already reached the global cinema world. So there is nothing that as far as branding is concerned, but it has to now gradually grow and evolve further. That is something which we look forward to, and it's a whole dynamic and ongoing phenomena, and I am sure with the participation of each and every film loving citizen, it will be a great opportunity for everybody to skill themselves in this area.
Sir, this time China is the main focus country, sir. So we just want to know why China, and what would be the benefit for the film industry from making China as a focus country.
China and India are two great nations, have a largest workforce which is available, and if we pool this resource pool, then I think we can really derive maximum benefits out of the two countries. And Indian films are very popular in China, and the technologies are also evolving over a period of time. So we feel that it will be a huge opportunity for the two nations which are neighbors, and develop this soft power into a biggest attraction for each other.
So any message that you would like to share with our viewers, sir?
I only want the viewers to enjoy this filmic content over the next 10 days and have the best of cinema all over the world.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.